And then all the small ones are going to push.
All the small ones were going to Fusha.
Push up over time.
We are harvesting cabbage for selling in the city. Amon is going to attempt to sell.
I'm going to sell.
You're going to sell? Yes, that's the word. We are going to sell. There hasn't been cabbage in a long time, but Amon has been too busy with his house renovation business. And so these are the big ones. These cabbages are so fresh.
Yeah, they are.
Don't be fooled by the leaves.
And they are nice.
Yes, they are nice.
You can ask Coco.
Yes. She keeps talking about how nice they are. And you keep saying you're going to give her another one.
I'll pass by dropping one today.
Taking a break.
It's so if you want it to last long, you have to take it out this way.
With the stem. That makes sense for the person who's going to sell. It doesn't always translate that you're gonna sell them straight away.
Yeah.
Makes total sense. I would have butchered them with a knife, man. But in the shops, you'll never see them with that stem. I also chop them up nicely. I also chop them up nicely.
I've tried and I thought.
Most of the times I've cut with a knife because when the ground is hard, twisting requires muscle. Sometimes when I have like male customers, they offer to twist for me. They offer to pull it out for me. So this cabbage was hit by some disease that hit the leaves, but it only damaged the leaves on the outside.
Yeah, but it stunted the growth.
It stunted the growth. Yeah, a lot of them didn't grow big like usual.
Them to be big.
But I always find in the village when we sell them here, people prefer small ones because they are 10 rand.
That's true.
We eat big as black people, but people prefer small ones because they are 10 rand.
If they could buy the big ones for 10 rand, yes.
Yeah, if they could buy the big ones for 10. Some of the kids that come to our Bible club, when they are sent by the parents, I've given them a good one. Even for I've given them $1 one for 10 rand, but if it's someone else, I won't do that.
So, for someone who wants to sell, I normally want to take out this deal because you want it while it's selling, while it's taking time.
Yeah, I know, eventually they peel.
For these leaves, just. But when the customer is now wanting it in front of them.
I love when the ladies do, what is it? Is it onions?
Onion, carrots.
Yes, like you know these onions that dry up. I've seen the ladies do that with the onions in town. I'll be sitting there in a car watching a person who's selling onion, and they'll be busy peeling the onions. They're trying to refresh them. When the leaves, they sell them with the leaves, because I don't know, to a human mind it looks bigger with the long green leaves. Even though if you wanted to cook the leaves, you're going to cook them only for a couple of days because they don't last long. They dry up. But anyways, once the leaves are dry, they decide it doesn't look presentable. They remove them, and then as the onion dries, because there are some that dries and they have this golden outer color. As they dry, they remove the color, the leaves that make them look old, and and leave the ones that make them look fresh. Amon was going to take me to a coffee shop and he's changed his mind. I keep bringing it up and he keeps ignoring it. It's a huge one. Oh. Look at that. Can you point here? No, not like that. The other way. We're just in the leaf. It's a big one. Nothing goes to waste. The chickens will eat the leaves. We're all geared to go to town. Amon had harvested vegetables, cabbages to go and sell there. And anyways, we're ready to go and the car won't start. And yesterday he didn't go anywhere, but he started the car parked on top of the hill, and in the evening he started to park it because we've been having a problem with the starter in town. A month ago he had the car to go get fixed. There was a starter problem. He had it to go get fixed, so today it wouldn't start. So anyways, it's the battery. So now he tried to remove the battery completely from the car to come and charge it with the solar panel. And when he tried to remove it, the terminal from the battery completely broke. And so it's kind of rendered our battery useless for now. And anyways, he kind of decided, I mean, we've been trying to leave the house at 11. It's now 12:30, so he's kind of decided to go to town now. But the problem is, we need to get the battery to be sorted. It's quite heavy to carry to town, and whatchamacall? And yeah, to try to carry it by a bus. Now, question is, how are you gonna get it sorted? Yeah, and a new battery is quite expensive. So, so anyway, so much for my trip. I didn't have business in town, honestly. I was going just to get out of the house. I get tired of being in the village all the time. And so anyway, now I have to stay and do the housework that I was trying to run away from. Today I was thinking, I'm shutting the doors. I'm not looking inside. As long as I don't see the inside of the house, I'm in town. I'll come in the evening. Forget the housework. Anyways, I have a few dishes to wash. I'm going to sweep. The floor is dusty, so I have to sweep it and mop it. And yeah. He's coming back. Our neighbor said he wants to help him to see if they can glue it so that he can at least run to town. So the guys did get the car to start working, and then we left. And then when we were on the highway, just as we're crossing the bridge into Bulawayo, the car, everything shut down. It stopped. It stopped working, and then we were there for a few minutes. Like, we had a number of cars pass by, but within about 5 minutes of trying to figure out what can we do, a guy came driving a South African registered car, and he stopped and helped us. And so that was really cool. I was like, wow, God, thank you for sending a kind person so soon. So yeah. So we're actually in Bulawayo right now. We parked at a place where they fix battery, and Amon has gone to talk to a guy to come and have a look at our battery. So, like I was telling you, when he was trying to sort it out in the morning, he broke the terminal. I think it might have been fragile, and that's why it broke. And so now it was hard to even charge it or do anything. So they kind of stuck the terminal with glue, and that's why it ran. But when we're still on the road, it stopped working. So anyways, when the guy jump started us, it was able to arrive. So it's better than trying to carry that battery in a bus to try to come and sort it out. They are quite heavy. I just tagged along to get out of the house. Yeah, but actually when I was leaving, when I was at home, I was like, what if the car dies along the way? Then I'll suffer. Then I thought, let me just come with Amon and suffer with him rather than him alone. Guys, the story of my life, okay? Okay, so a few weeks ago we had car problems, and then we took the car to the shop and it got sorted out. So yesterday, when was that? We were coming down the road and the battery got stuck, right? And Amon went and had it serviced, and the car was running well. This morning we're leaving our house. Amon, you're gonna kill the battery completely. Oh no. Stop doing that. Now the car is not coming on completely.
Yeah.
The watch was on. The dashboard was on and now it's not coming on. I was just gearing up to what? To push. And I said to Amon, stop that because I'm coming to push, right? Goodness, the car park is like full of witnesses. Check. Oh my word. I am so tired of this.
I'm not the only one. I'm not the only one.
You're not the only one. There's someone with the bonnet open. Oh no.
It could be just a touch.
You think it's a lose something?
Yeah.
I hope so. Because when it loses power now on the dashboard, it's a problem to start.
Yeah.
Guys, if this is a demon, it needs to be cast out. Really pray.
I've got no even a reason.
I really hope that the dashboard is going
Just
to
to
come
get a steer.
on.
And just to get a steer that I did not get.
We came to Fazak to get a meat for home. We didn't even get the meat. But now the car is dead. We could have kept running and gone home, and it's a really cold day. It's a Sunday. We're just coming from church. Here we go. This car just knows where to embarrass us. It always picks the right spots. But thank God there was a gentleman who helped us. I'm so glad that my subscribers are mostly not in the country, because if you were, you're always going to see me pushing.
Okay. So harvesting onions for picking.
For pickling?
Yeah.
I thought it was for cooking.
Small ones for cooking. Big ones for cooking, but small ones for picking. This size for picking.
This size for pickling. I'm just remembering, just last week we were at the driving range and I was complaining about the heat and I wouldn't play golf. Today I'm complaining about the cold. It's been cold for the last few days. What do you want to put here?
Spring onion.
Spring onion. Keep it simple, eh?
Yeah.
You do remember that our source of water is limited. I was thinking that when I heard you saying there's another guy coming to plant corn and the yellow maize, so I was like, why is Amon increasing the garden when our source of water, I mean the space where we have maize is a lot, Amon. It's not practical to water all that space with the bucket from bush pump. Amon, all that, guys, let me show you the space. Let me show you. This is the space. It starts from here. Starts from here to that end there. This is the space Amon wants to water with. a bucket from the bush pump. It is absolutely not practical. Yes,
Yeah?
we are 2 people.
Yes, sir.
Amon's desire will be to sell to the neighbors, and I'm thinking it's not a desire one should have when you don't have water.
Okay.
To grow to sell. No, you shouldn't be desiring to grow way beyond the 2 of us when there's no water.
Tell me something.
The baby Maras are doing well.
Yes, yeah.
Oops, maybe I know what you can give Amon, since you love to give so much. You can give people seed. No, seriously, like here's some seed, plant a garden. It looks better this side. The garden always looks better when it's watered. So voila, this is the onion harvest. This side they were mostly small. The other ones at the back is still, the front is still there.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's not bad. Anyways, guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Until next time, bye bye.